Hello, good morning students. We already learned the my practice time for question number 1 and 2, that is the solve the following and match the following. Now today we solve word problem. Here some example is there. Here first word problem. Here Adil had chart for rupees 50 paise and juice for 20 rupees and 25 paise. How much should he pay? Here solution, cost of chart means here cost of chart is 15 rupees and 50 paise. Here cost of juice, that is the 20 rupees and 25 paise. Here what is the question, how much should he pay? Means the total money spent, that is the rupees 15 rupees and 50 paise plus 20 rupees and 20 paise. So add these two numbers, that is the in rupees and paise. So if you add this, you have to write down, that is in column, that is see here rupees 15 and 50 paise plus rupees 20 and 25 paise. You have to add these two numbers. Here 0 plus 5, that is 5, and 5 plus 2 7. Then dot is there, paise column complete. Now 5 plus 0 5 and 1 plus 2, that is 3. Write down rupees as it is. So answer is 35 rupees and 75 paise. So here the total money spent, that is the rupees 35 and 75 paise. Thus Adil has to pay rupees 35 and 75 paise. Okay. Here next example there is there. Sachin has to pay 45 rupees and 25 paise to the shopkeeper. He gave a rupees 50 note to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back? You have to read it carefully and you have to decide how to calculate this one. Means we have to do the multiplication, addition or subtraction. So you understand first meaning of that example. So here how much money did he get back? Okay, so here subtraction is there. So here first Sachin paid rupees 50 and Sachin spent rupees 45 and 25 paise. Okay, so here what you want, money that Sachin got back. So subtraction is there. So rupees 50 minus 45 rupees and 25 paise. So you have to do here first rupees 50. Here paise is not there. So you write down there 0 minus rupees 45 and 25 paise. Okay. So you calculate here 0 minus 5 is not possible. So write down here 10. Okay. Then here 0 is there. So you cannot take from this one. So you write down here 9. Here also 0 is there. So you can take from here. Okay. So here 10 minus 5, that is 5. Here 9 minus 2, that is 7. And now here 4. Here 0 minus 5, that is the 9 number is there again. So 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5, that is 4. Okay, and here 4 minus 4, that is 0. So your answer is 4 rupees and 75 paise. Okay, so you have to calculate like this. Here 0 0 and 0 is there. So you take here first 10. So you have to take from this 5. Okay, then here 9 is there. Here also 9 is there. Then 10 minus 5, 5, here 9 minus 2, 7, again here 9 minus 5, 4, here left 4, 4 minus 4, 0. So 4 rupees and 75 paise there. So Sachin received rupees 4 and 75 paise from the shopkeeper. Okay, same next problem is there. Dheeraj bought 5 pens for rupees 13 and 50 paise each. How much money did he pay for the pens? Here Dheeraj bought 5 pens for rupees 13 and 50 paise, means one pen cost is 13 rupees and 50 paise. He bought 5 pens. So we want cost of 5 pens. So one pen for 13 rupees and 50 paise. So cost of one pen is 13 rupees 50 paise. The number of pens bought 5. So total cost is 13 rupees and 50 paise multiplied by 5. So you have to calculate here 13 rupees and 50 paise multiplied by 5. Okay. Here 5 multiplied by 0. So 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. So write down 5 here. 2 carry over. Then 5 3s are 15 plus these 2, that is 17. Again carry over. 5 ones are 5 and plus 1, that is the 6. So 67 rupees and 50 paise there. So Dheeraj paid rupees 67 rupees 50 paise for buying 5 pens. Okay. Now these are the example that solve in the textbook. So don't write this in the notebook. Okay. Now we will solve word problem. So here we have to solve here word problem first. See carefully. First word problem. Imran goes to a shop to buy a mirror and comb. He pays rupees 28 and 25 paise for the mirror and rupees 2 and 45 paise for the comb. How much does he spend all together? Okay. Now here all together word is there. See carefully. So we have to do the here addition. First Imran paid rupees 28, that is 28 rupees and 25 paise for mirror and 2 rupees and 45 paise for comb. So here total money spent, that is the 28 rupees and 25 paise plus 2 rupees and 45 paise. So you have to add these two numbers, that is 28 rupees 25 paise plus 2 rupees and 45 paise. Add these two. 5 plus 5, that is 10. Write down 0 here. 1 carry over. Then here 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 4, that is 7. Okay. Then 8 plus 2 10. Write down 0 here. 1 carry over. Then 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 30 rupees and 70 paise. So write down Imran spends rupees 30 and 70 paise. Now next problem. Peter spends rupees 18 and 50 paise to buy a chocolate and rupees 23.50 paise to buy a toothbrush. Which of the two items is costlier, the chocolate or the toothbrush, and by how much? Here Peter spent rupees 18, that is 18 rupees 50 paise for chocolate and 23 rupees and 50 paise for toothbrush. So which is the costlier? If you see carefully, everybody know which is the costlier, that is the cost of toothbrush is 23 rupees and 50 paise. That is the more rupees. So toothbrush is costlier. But how much? So you have to calculate this one. So Peter spent rupees 18 rupees and 50 paise for chocolate and 23 rupees and 50 paise for toothbrush. So you have to calculate difference between these two. So difference between the cost of chocolate and the toothbrush. So 23 rupees 50 paise minus 18 rupees and 50 paise. So you have to subtract this. Now see here, 23 rupees and 50 paise minus 18 rupees and 50 paise. So 0 minus 0, that is 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Again here 23 minus 18, that is the 5. So 5 rupees is there. So toothbrush is costlier by rupees 5. Okay. Now next problem, that is the fourth one. Radha buys a pen for rupees 12 and a notebook for rupees 8. How much money does she get back if she gives a rupees 100 note to the shopkeeper? Here the solution, Radha bought a pen rupees 12 and a notebook for rupees 8. Here total money spent means rupees 12 plus rupees 8. So here you have to add these two numbers, that is the rupees 12 plus rupees 8 means 12 plus 8 rupees 20. So she gives rupees 100 note to the shopkeeper. So money that Radha got back, she gives rupees 100 and she spent only 20 rupees. So here 100 rupees minus 20 rupees, that is the 100 minus 20, 80. So rupees 80 is the answer. So Radha got back rupees 80. So remaining problem you have to solve in the notebook. Okay, thank you.